Hello, everyone. My name is Heejae, and today I want to introduce some research project related to visual audit. And these are the research team working on the visual audit. I'm working with Lu Zhang from University of Maryland and Chi Liu from University of Rhode Island, and Professor Miklos is also part of this visual audit project. So basically, we are working on how to apply visual analytics in auditing as a audit data analytics tools. And what visual audit means is the science of analytical reasoning facilitated by interactive visualizations. So basically, we are not just using visualization as a presentation, but we are trying to use this visualization as a part of analytical process. So in this research topic, we have two different research papers. One is visual analytics and visual audit. The other one is text visual analysis and auditing, data analytics for journal entry testings. So first, I want to talk about the visual analytics and visual audit. So this paper is basically what the problem of these days accounting information system is produce extensive and complex data, which is difficult for auditor to examine all the data set. And so the techniques to synthesize and make sense of the data to improve problem understanding, detection of abnormal activities, prediction of the event, or optimizations are required. Even though the IT-based big data analysis tools and audit data analytics have been recognized to improve audit effectiveness and efficiency, the use of ADA in auditing is not as widespread, even though there are some audit data analytics software or there are some techniques available. Especially the visual analytics-based ADA methods has received little attention despite its advantages. So one of the benefits of visual analytics is it requires limited advanced IT skills compared to other analytical solutions. Many of the visualization technique can be conducted using drag and drop, the simple drag and drop actions. And also the VA-based ADA solution can be an affordable option for audit firms of all sizes, especially small and medium-sized firms. However, even in the ADA guideline by AICPA, the discussion of visualization application in audit is limited to static graphics, basically just a screenshot of the one graph or just a screenshot of one particular graphs. So data visualization still has been used only for presentation by audit profession rather than as a part of analytical reasoning. So in this paper, we propose a new audit data analysis methodology, and we call it visual audit. And we explain how visual analytics can be integrated with the current audit processes. And we provide the demonstration with the hospital data with interactive dashboards. Due to limit of time, I'm not going to go too much detail about this model, but basically we developed this model and introduced some important concepts that be important for auditors to use visualization or visual analytics as a analytical procedure. So we talk about the detail of what are the important concepts that you have the auditor should consider when they use visualization or visual analytics as a part of audit procedures. And this is in this paper we demonstrate, as I mentioned before, this use of this analytical this visual audit model using the hospital data. So basically, we have created this interactive dashboard, and we're planning to provide this link to when we publish the article. We want planning to provide this link to the readers, so they can actually. This is not a static dashboard. It has the interactive features, so the readers can actually change some of the important parameters, and they can see how this kind of interactive platform can actually work to identify and facilitate the analytical reasoning. And this is one example of audit evidence based on our framework. So basically, is a combination of multiple visualization and textual information, and this can be documented as audit evidence. So we describe in detail about this paper. And the second paper we are working on is the text visual analysis and auditing. Basically, this one is developed it as a data analysis technique for journal entry testing. So as you know, business transaction data nowadays includes textual data, such as description of accounts or description of journal entries. So understanding the textual information of these business transactions or account is also important, because the information captures the nature of transactions qualitatively. But one of the problem we have is the textual analysis is informative, but it's really difficult for auditors to actually use textual analysis as a part of their audit procedure, because it requires the use of text mining technique, and also and it can increase the risk of information overload, because they may have to deal with a large amount of data that is which is not easy to understand without the sophisticated knowledge in text mining. And this might lead to suboptimal judgment for auditors, because especially if the result is not presented or interpreted properly. So we believe that visualization can enhance human interaction with the complex and voluminous data. And we believe textual data is also can be the same story. So, and also there is a new technique called visual data mining, the integration of data mining technique and the data visualization. And it can make data analysis more effective by involving humans in the data exploration process. And using visual programming and data mining software can facilitate data analysis, since the analysis can be performed by drag and drop or connecting different visual objects. So in this paper, we proposed a new audit data analytics method, text visual analysis, basically the combination of visual analytics and text analysis. So we provide thank you. So we provide a case study using the general ledger data from a single financial year. And we use data mining software called Orange and data visualization software Tableau for this case study. So this is an overview of the text visual analysis. So this is the step described each step of performing text visual analysis. And this is one of the screenshot. This is a screenshot of the data mining software Orange. So this is how the auditor can perform the given task to examine the journal entry description. So with this visual program software, auditor can have limited data mining skill. Basically, they can just drag and drop and connecting different objects to perform the textual analysis and combining the different informations. And this is the screenshot of the dashboard or visualization we created based on the methodology. So that's all I want to prepare today. And thank you for listening. And if you have any questions, or if you're interested in any thing about visual audit, please feel free to email me. This is my email address. Thank you so much.